Let me guess, you started learning data science and now you are confused. You hear Python, NumPy, Pandas, SQL, machine learning. Everything feels important, but no one tells you where to start. Hi, I am Fazan and I'm a data scientist, and I've been exactly where you were. So, on this channel, I'll teach you data science step by step from scratch. We'll go from Python, NumPy, Pandas, SQL, and then machine learning. So basically, the audience will cover each and every step in order to become a data analyst or a data scientist or a software developer. We will cover everything. But here's the difference, there will be no boring lectures, only clear explanation and practical learning. You won't just watch, you will actually understand. If you are serious about becoming a data scientist or a data analyst or a software developer, then this is your starting point. So let's build this journey together.